Hey everyone, are you starting your SEO journey and feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the top 10 essential SEO checks every beginner needs to master. These are the fundamentals that'll set you up for success. So grab your notebook and let's dive in. First up, keyword research. This is your foundation. Before you write a single word, you need to know what your audience is searching for. Here's what to do. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Answer the Public. Find keywords with decent search volume but lower competition. Focus on long-tail keywords, phrases with 3 to 4 words that are more specific. Think about user intent. Are they looking to buy, learn, or find something? Pro tip: start with keywords that have 100 to 1,000 searches per month. They're easier to rank for as a beginner. Number 2, title tags. This is the most important on-page SEO element. Your title tag is what shows up in search results, and it's your first impression. Best practices: keep it under 60 characters so it doesn't get cut off. Include your main keyword near the beginning. Make it compelling. This determines if people click. Every page needs a unique title. Example: instead of home, use affordable web design services in Boston, your brand. See the difference? Specific, keyword-rich, and click-worthy. Check number 3, meta descriptions. While these don't directly affect rankings, they absolutely impact your click-through rate. Here's your checklist. Keep it between 150–160 characters. Include your target keyword naturally. Write a clear benefit or call to action. Make every meta description unique. Think of it as your ad copy. Example: learn 10 essential SEO tips for beginners. Start ranking higher on Google today with our step-by-step checklist. Free guide inside. That makes you want to click, right? Moving to number 4, header tags. H1, H2, H3. Think of these as your content's outline. They help both users and search engines understand your page structure. The rules: 1 H1 per page. This is your main headline. Use H2s for main sections. Use H3s for subsections under H2s. Include keywords naturally in your headers. Make them descriptive and logical. Don't just make text big and bold. Actually use proper header tags in your HTML. Google reads the code, not just what looks big on screen. Number 5, quality content. Content is still king. Google wants to serve the best answer to searchers' questions. Your content checklist: write for humans first, search engines second. Aim for at least 300 words minimum, but longer comprehensive content often ranks better. Answer the user's question completely. Use your keywords naturally. No keyword stuffing. Include images, videos, or infographics. Update your content regularly. Make it original. No copying from other sites. Remember, helpful, comprehensive content wins every time. Check number 6, mobile optimization. Over 60% of searches happen on mobile devices, and Google uses mobile-first indexing. Make sure your site is responsive, adapts to different screen sizes. Text is readable without zooming. Buttons and links are easy to tap. No horizontal scrolling required. Test your site on actual mobile devices. Quick test: go to Google's mobile-friendly test tool. Enter your URL and see how you score. Fix any issues it identifies. Number 7, page speed. Slow sites kill rankings and user experience. Google confirmed page speed is a ranking factor, especially for mobile. Speed optimization basics: compress your images, use tools like TinyPNG, enable browser caching, minimize CSS and JavaScript, use a reliable hosting provider, consider a CDN, content delivery network, remove unnecessary plugins. Test your speed using Google Page Speed Insights or GT metrics. Aim for a load time under 3 seconds. Even small improvements make a difference. Number 8, internal linking. This is often overlooked but super powerful. Internal links connect your pages together, helping Google understand your site structure and spreading authority. Best practices: link to relevant pages within your content. Use descriptive anchor text, the clickable text. Don't just say click here, say read our guide to keyword research. Link from high-authority pages to ones you want to boost. Make sure every page is reachable within 3 clicks from your homepage. Think of your site as a web. Everything should connect logically. Number 9. Image alt text. Alt text describes your images to search engines and visually impaired users. How to do it right? Describe what's actually in the image. Include your keyword when relevant and natural. Keep it under 125 characters. Don't start with image of or picture of. Every image should have unique alt text. Example: instead of IMG 1234 JPG, use woman doing keyword research on laptop. This helps your images rank in Google image search and improves accessibility. And finally, number 10. Set up your tracking tools. You can't improve what you don't measure. Essential setup: Google Search Console. Shows how your site appears in search results. Reveals which keywords drive traffic. Alerts you to errors and issues. Helps you submit sitemaps. Google Analytics tracks visitor behavior, shows where traffic comes from. Reveals which pages perform best. Helps you understand your audience. Both are 100% free. Set them up today and check them weekly. The data you get is invaluable for improving your SEO strategy. And there you have it, your top 10 SEO checklist for beginners. Let's recap quickly. 1. Keyword research. 2. Title tags. 3. Meta descriptions. 4. Header tags. 5. Quality content. 6. Mobile friendliness. 7. Page speed. 8. Internal linking. 9. Image alt text. 10. Google Search Console and Analytics. Your action step: don't try to do everything at once. Pick one item from this list, implement it this week, then move to the next. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Be consistent, stay patient, and you will see results. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more SEO tips, and drop a comment telling me which checklist item you're tackling first. See you in the next video.